Hi, I'm Ajwad. My mission is simple to teach you AI in the most simplest and practical way so you can benefit from this technology financially as well as productively before it gets too complex for a normal person for you to understand what AI is and how I can benefit from this technology. So, for that reason, on this channel, I'm starting a course on basics of AI in which I'm going to cover one of the most basic concepts to one of the most advanced concepts like what AI is, what is generative AI, this kind of basic questions to one of the most advanced concepts like prompt engineering, building AI agents, building your own chatbots with no code as well. So it's going to be a lot of fun and I'm going to cover a very vast landscape of skills in AI, and you will be amazed how you can change your life with AI, and you will be amazed how you can make your life easier with the help of AI, and you will come to know that how AI contributes to make our life a lot easier, and it is really great technology which is helping humanity at a really great level. So if you watch this course from very start till the very end, you can say I'm somebody in AI. I know how to make money with the help of AI. I know how to communicate with AI. I know how to automate my task with the help of AI. I know how to do research with AI. I know how to automate my workflows with AI. So this is a really great course. I'm going to take you from an absolute beginner to an absolute professional. Okay, I'm going to teach you all of the fundamentals, all of the essentials you need to learn, you need to have to use AI to be time efficient, to be work efficient as well, and it is going to be really helpful for you. So subscribe because you don't want to miss any updates, right?